We don't care about you coming with the media. Look good for
I
the
know you
media.
don't
Put your
care. That's
suit
why I
on
don't want you.
and bring.
You know what? As a matter of fact,
I'm
you're
not.
on ineffective counsel too. So I'm good.
Okay.
We're gonna reschedule that.
Have a
I'll tell you
wonderful
what we
day,
do.
sir.
Let's handle it like this.
Stop it, Miss.
Have a
Don't
wonderful
say
day.
anymore, Miss. Don't say anymore, Miss Robinson, please. Mr. Glenn, that's it, okay? I'll let you make your record. Come on down tomorrow morning, all right? Yo, you're muted. You're muted now. Unmute him, please. Unmute yourself.
He thought he was just logging into court to plead not guilty, but within minutes, the entire hearing started slipping out of his control. He was warned for driving during the Zoom hearing. He called the judge bro, and then things escalated so quickly that the judge had to warn him about contempt. But that's only the beginning. Because when Glenn finally gets another chance to speak, he doesn't back down. He actually asks the judge to remove himself from the case. And the judge's response makes it clear. This courtroom is not going to turn into a personal argument.
I'm not gonna be driving, buddy, when I'm in court, all right? Just call me.
No, listen, I'm not your buddy, okay? First of all, but at the end of the day, if you're driving right now, you're not supposed to be driving, okay?
Yeah, but how long am I gonna be sitting here? I haven't spoke to no defense attorney.
I don't know how long you're gonna be sitting there. You're waiting. If you came on time, you would have heard me. I said I'm gonna try to get you out as fast as I can.
It's all good, man. Listen, it's all good.
Listen, don't cut me off. Are you driving your car right now?
I'm gonna park my car, but man, I can't be sitting out in the
I'm
sun. You know what I'm
putting
saying?
you out of the room.
Put me out of the room.
Yes, for driving in court. All right? Come back when you get in a safe location. Right. Mr. Rondell Glenn's license, please. City of Detroit versus Rondell Glenn. Case number SP 11-54208, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 11-54212, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 14822930, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1720494, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1720600, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1720615, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1730688, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1730696-1. State of Michigan versus Rondell Glenn. Case number SX 3397163-1. SX 3630039, 1, SX 3639504, 1, 18443135, 1. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Gaten Robinson on behalf of Mr. Rondell Glenn. Mr. Glenn, please state your name for the record.
Mr. Rondell Glenn.
Your Honor, I don't know how many tickets that was you
Right
just read
from the
off.
start, you can tell this hearing is going sideways. Glenn hears the court calling multiple cases, questions why so many tickets are being mentioned, and almost immediately starts pushing back. But the biggest problem isn't even the tickets yet. It's his attitude toward the courtroom. His own attorney is literally trying to calm him down and tells him to stop talking because he's making the situation worse. At that point, you can almost feel the attorney realizing this is becoming much bigger than the original traffic issues.
He's exhibited disrespect to the court, and he's.
Wait a minute, hold on, wait a minute. What you talking about?
You wait a minute. You wait a minute.
I'm going to the judicial tender commission.
You wait a minute.
I don't want you to remove yourself from my case, bro.
Listen,
I'm 58
there
years
he
old.
is. That's the
I don't know what it is about me and you, bro.
That's the disrespect.
Mr. Glenn, can you please be quiet for one? Mr. Glenn, as the attorney who's trying to help you, can you please be quiet for a moment? The first issue that you have is you should not be driving on Zoom. Park the car, please. You cannot drive on Zoom. This is the definition of distracted driving.
He should not be driving at all. He's already indicated to the court that he's driving when he was driving while in court. I asked Mr. Glenn that if he's driving, he said he's driving to go in to get something to eat, I believe. So now
Mr. Glenn wasn't driving. Somebody was driving for me. I'm with somebody. What do you mean? What do you mean, man?
I'm gonna order Mr.
Just,
Glenn.
I'm 58
Mr.
years old,
Glenn,
bro. Look,
Mr. Glenn,
choose yourself from
I'm trying to help you. Can you please
Why is
just
you reading
wait
off
a
all
minute?
these tickets from 20 years ago when it's only 3? You know what I'm saying?
Sir,
There's something.
stop, Mr. Glenn, stop, so I can help you. I'm trying my very best to help you. You got a chip on your shoulder, but it's not. Sir, give me a minute. I'm gonna try to take you in a breakout room and talk to you before you make your circumstance worse. Just be quiet until you get there, please.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Glenn, Mr. Glenn, after you finish talking to him, I'm going to give him a pre-trial date for tomorrow. Mr. Glenn has to come into court in person.
Fine. I'm going to the Judicial Tender Commission because you're very impartial. You're not about to try to embarrass me in court like that, man.
Glenn, stop.
Reading out all those tickets when we only got 3.
Just ask you to be quiet so I can help you.
I'm going to file a complaint today.
That's fine. You can do whatever you want, but
you're not about to try to embarrass me like that and be disrespectful to me and think I'm going to sit up and take that.
Mr. Glenn. Mr. Glenn.
And they come to court properly dressed. Don't come to court in a sleeveless shirt. Come to court properly dressed.
Your Honor, can I please have a moment to talk to Mr. Glenn? I muted you because you're not making it better. Just be quiet.
It doesn't matter what you say to him. He's going to take an anger management class too.
Your Honor, I'm going to move Mr. Glenn to another breakout room.
Very good.
Yeah, once you see Judge Perkins calm down and stop going tick for tack with you, that means you're done. That means basically he's just gonna throw the book at you, whatever it is. He's gonna, you know, like you say, he's gonna make my man do anger management. He's gonna tell my man he gotta come in person, and you know, he's just gonna make it uncomfortable for you. So I don't even know why my man came out the gate, you know, talking about he's being disrespectful and everything like that. I don't see anywhere where Judge Perkins disrespected my man. He just pretty much told him, you know, you need to pull over and stop driving in court. I feel bad for his attorney, but let's see how she's going to handle this.
He's the Motorola device?
Yes. We'll pass the matter. Tell him to come to court properly dressed, Ms. Gates.
Mr. Glenn, you should have a prompt to go to breakout room 5. Go to breakout room 5. Look at your device, Mr. Glenn. You should have a prompt on your screen to go to breakout room 5. Just click OK. All right, Mr. Glenn, I'm going to send you a different prompt. Just when you see the room number pop up, please just click OK. You're going to room 8.
All right, let's pass
just
the matter.
Click OK.
In person tomorrow, Miss. Let's
I understand, Your Honor.
Let's
you
go
want him
back
here
on.
at 9 a.m.?
No, 8:30.
Am I releasing him?
Yeah, you can do whatever you want to. But...
Okay, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. He's not going to get too far.
He's coming in on Zoom or he's coming in on court.
Now I guess. You said what? You are making it viral.
I got his attention. He's aware that we're trying to pull him back into the breakout room. I'm about to send him a prompt. I mean, to the main session. I'm about to send him a prompt.
I'm trying to get him in the main. I'll close the rooms.
Okay.
Now, if he keeps it up, he'll find himself in contempt.
And this is where the warning becomes serious. The attorney is already trying to save Glenn from making things worse, while the court is struggling to get him back into the hearing. Then Glenn comes back on the record and says he simply wanted to plead not guilty, but he still talks to the judge like they're having a conversation outside the courtroom. That's when Judge Perkins draws the line. I'm not your bro, I'm the judge. And then comes the warning that changes the entire tone. If Glenn keeps acting out, the judge says he may have no choice but to hold him in contempt.
Your Honor, I'm trying to save him, but...
And I know it's probably going to be ordered as a transcript, so can y'all please talk at one time at a time?
Well, good luck. Good luck. You can get the video.
Sure.
All right. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Glenn. Mr. Glenn, let me say something to you, sir. Start your video, please.
I got it going. Get it straight now. Get it straight, bro. I simply wanted to come in and plead not guilty. But
So, Mr. Glenn, I asked you to stop talking to the judge like he's your friend or somebody on the street. You would not talk to another judge in a different jurisdiction like that. He's not your bro. He's Judge Perkins.
Now, let me stop. Let me stop right
I'm trying to help you, Mr. Glenn. You making it worse.
Stop, Ms. Gaten Robinson, please. Mr. Glenn, let's get this understanding. First of all, I'm not your bro, okay? Yeah, I'm the judge, Mr. Perkins, but I'm not your bro, okay? Second,
I know you're not.
No, I didn't ask you to speak. Don't talk while I'm talking. Secondly, if you continue to act out like you've been doing, I'm gonna have no choice but to hold you in contempt of court, okay? And I don't want to do that. I'm trying to exercise the utmost restraint with you. Now, third, I called those cases into the record to be as a matter of judicial economy. I don't know when you got those tickets. I don't care when you got those tickets. I try to do that for the benefit of you so you don't have to keep coming back to court multiple times and you don't have these warrants sitting out here on you, okay? That's why I called those cases into the record. That's my choice to do that. And I called the cases into the record for the court and for your benefit, so you don't have to keep coming back to court. Okay? So
I appreciate that.
I'm gonna let you speak. Let me finish. You're gonna come into court in person tomorrow at 8:30. I want you properly dressed. You can say what you want to do what you want to say. If you don't appear, then a lot of people don't show up. That's what the court has to say. Now, you want to talk? Go ahead and speak.
Okay. So I'm sorry about calling you bro. Okay. But I didn't think that you would get impartial and start, you were supposed to be here early. I'm 58 years old. Okay. So I'm kind of tech challenged, but I called down and I got in. Okay. I was late, but I got in, but it's just the way you was talking to me, that had me like, damn, like, I don't really want to go in front of this guy here, man. Plus I know Todd. So that's another reason why. Okay. So I was just asking if you could just recruit yourself. Then I found out some other stuff that's something, that's going on. Some news is going on right now. I don't want to be a part of that. I just want to go to another courtroom. If we could do it like that, then we good. Then I don't have to go down to the Judicial Tenure Commission, file a 3-page report. You know what I'm saying? Just remove me from your courtroom. That's all I'm asking you.
So, Mr. Glenn.
On the grounds of, maybe not because I don't think you're impartial, but.
Let me finish. Let him go ahead and finish.
Okay. Maybe not because I felt you were being impartial, but let's not say that. But I do know Todd personally. Been knowing Todd for a long time. So that's another issue. Not the other issue about what's going on with you now, but I'm just asking the court, please, just recruit yourself or just send me to another judge and I'll appreciate it.
All right, let me, I'm not.
But surprisingly, Glenn doesn't just argue back. He actually apologizes for calling the judge bro and explains why he feels uncomfortable appearing before him. Then he makes his biggest request yet. He wants Judge Perkins to recuse himself and send the case to another courtroom. The judge listens, but the answer is a firm no. Instead, Glenn is ordered to appear in person the next morning at 8:30, properly dressed. And that's the moment this hearing stops being about a simple plea, because now Glenn has to walk into court face to face after everything that just happened on Zoom.
I'm not going to send you to another judge. I want you to come down tomorrow morning at 8:30. I accept your apology about the bro situation. I didn't hold you being late against you because I did let you in the room. As long as I'm sitting here, I question why people are late. I understand now why you're late. You told me you're not as tech savvy as other people, and that was it. You also were driving in court. You admitted to that. You have a
no. So let's clear that up. Listen, I have a business.
It's cleared up in the court's eyes. It's cleared up in the court's eyes. It's all being recorded. It's on transcript. You admitted to that. Okay. So let's
say whatever you want.
I let you speak. I let you speak. and I'm speaking. I said, do not interrupt the court, all right? So this is it. We're not gonna keep going back and forth. I'm gonna let you go about your day, but come down tomorrow morning in person, and you can go to the Judicial Commission.
Your Honor.
That is your full right. You can go to the chief judge, but I'm not gonna sit here and have you yelling at my staff or anything, okay?
Your Honor.
Listen, I'm not a
Mr. Glenn, please give me one moment. Please, I've been begging you since the beginning of our interaction. I'm trying to help you. Just be quiet.
Right. I should have brought my boy Blake in here. I wouldn't have all this.
Okay, so one moment, Your Honor. I explained to Mr. Glenn that he does have to be at court tomorrow morning at 8:30. I did also indicate to him that it's his absolute right to retain an attorney. If he is not able to retain an attorney, then he can ask for an appointed attorney tomorrow. Because he is here for misdemeanor matters, he is entitled to counsel. If he wants to pay his own counsel or ask for counsel tomorrow, that is his right. But I'm making it clear that Mr. Glenn is aware of his right to have counsel tomorrow at court.
All right.
If Mr. Glenn come to court, he's coming with all the news coverage. Okay, so we just want to make sure everything is good.
We'll see you in the morning at 8:30. Make sure you look good for the news.
I want another judge,
on.
and I make it with another attorney.
Okay. One at a time. Court reporters.
Put your good suit on. We don't care about you coming with the media. Look good for the media. Put your suit on.
I don't want you. You know what? As a matter of fact, you're on ineffective counsel too. So I'm good. We're gonna reschedule that.
Have a wonderful day, sir.
Let's handle it like this.
Stop it, Miss.
Have a wonderful day.
Don't say any more, Miss Robinson, please. Mr. Glenn, that's it, okay? I'll let you make your record. Come on down tomorrow morning, all right? Yo, you're muted. You're muted now. Unmute him, please. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. All right.
Let me do what I gotta do. Okay. Yeah. All right. Bye-bye.
Peace and luck to you, sir.
Yeah. Take care.
You too. All right.